In this video, I'll show you how to fix iPhone Face ID disabled or not available error. Firstly, try to restart your iPhone. Press and hold the volume up or down plus the power button. Then slide to power off. Wait 15 seconds, then press power to turn it back on. 2. Check Face ID settings. Firstly, go to Settings, then Face ID and Passcode. Enter your passcode and make sure all options under Use Face ID for are toggled on. If not set up, tap Setup Face ID and follow the prompts. Also, you can try disable and re-enable Face ID. Go to Settings, Face ID and Passcode. Disable Face ID for iPhone unlock, then restart your iPhone, then enable Face ID again from the same menu. And finally, allow Face ID in third-party apps. Go to Settings, Face ID and Passcode, then Other apps. Toggle on Face ID for apps that need it. If these steps don't fix the issue, consider resetting Face ID or checking for camera obstructions or iOS update. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.